No.
Storm Chase Unlimited Vlog Documentary Season 3 Part 24.
He did it! Wow! Brock has blue balls. And those look like growths. Actually, no, it looks like those like really cheap like hydrogen atoms that you would get at school. Even though those wouldn't be hydrogen because there's too many stuff. And you're here.
I am here.
And you're here.
I am here.
And you're here.
Yes.
And I'm here. Everybody's here. Gang's all here except for Tyler.
Where's Tyler? Tyler's being a baby.
Tyler's camping.
He is.
In his room.
He actually left his house.
In his
In his
room.
room.
Oh.
Yeah, he has a mini fridge in his room. I also have a mini fridge in my room. Just got it today. $15. Goodwill. Works, you know.
Really?
Yeah.
That's dope.
Thrift shop
That's a
swag.
romper.
What?
Hashtag romper.
What?
Ain't that right, Allie?
I wouldn't know.
You wouldn't know because you're not romper.
I know.
You don't know what it feels like to
Romper
ejaculate while, you know, all that crazy stuff happens. Hi, dog.
Alright, so what are we doing?
Mickey, we're playing ladder ball.
We are? At a barbecue.
Brayden?
What?
If you ask them nicely, they'd probably let you keep it. They hate that dog. Hey, Aunt Leslie.
Barbecue.
I want it now.
Brayden wants to keep your dog. The one that you don't like.
This one. The brown one.
I'm telling you, dude, let's take her home. Oh, I even went for it too.
You're the only one that's going for it.
Oh.
Not good enough.
Dang.
Gonna burn out. Okay, let's play ladder ball.
Ladder ball.
So,
Rock, you take
time for the ladder. You get to film.
What did you do?
Wait. Are you playing ladder ball?
I don't know, am I?
You want to? Or do you want to do like you and me versus the girls, or us with our girl versus the
Boyfriends versus girlfriends.
Yeah, let's do it.
No,
Yep,
my
we're
team
gonna
has a
do-
handicap.
We're gonna do boyfriend. Yeah, because you're both blonde. We're gonna do boyfriends versus girlfriends, and we'll take the blue balls just because that's funny. And I like blue better than red.
Braden films.
Yeah.
Brayden, you're filming.
I have a shaky hand. I can't do it.
It's okay. Just as long as Allie doesn't film.
Alright,
Oh,
filming
shut
Mitch,
up.
right?
Alex sucks at home.
Seriously, episode 21. Check it out. She ruined everything. But it's okay.
There we
Brayden
go.
made it
Now I'm
funny.
filming Mitch.
Fuck, Derek.
Yeah, get out of here. We don't accept your kind here.
You made me spill my soda.
Good.
Stop. Your boyfriend nodded them out.
And this the blue team. The blue team there.
Oh wait, no. One of us has to be on the other side. Because that way, like one person from both teams, and then we go both ways.
How you doing, Dick?
You're doing pretty good.
It's the devil herself.
What?
Nailed it.
Okay, this will be a montage. A compilation. We don't have to say anything funny. We just have to win. Ladies first. Go ahead.